welcome to Boat My Obsession.
Hello.
Welcome to our bedroom. This is the suite of the boat because we're sharing a room. So this is our bed. It's really cute. This pillow says swimming. I like that. And then we have a window over here, and you can open it. And I love that. Check out that view.
Most of our day here at this beautiful resort, and we are watching Wolf of Wall Street and eating Ben and Jerry's and drinking, what is this, rosé? Hi! We are just spending some time on the front of the boat. We are sailing. It is day 4? Something like that. Day 4, I think. And we are at a national park called the Baths in Virgin Gorda. And there are some cool rocks here, which I hope are placed here by aliens, because if not, that'd be a massive disappointment. And we are just on our way there, and I'll show you guys what they look like when we get there, and hopefully it's impressive because they're making me walk 15 minutes and that's cool. So we just got here and it is insane. So we are climbing up these rocks and it's insane because the water is coming through and it's so beautiful. We are here at an outdoor bar restaurant kind of thing, and I'm really excited because some friends of mine who were here about 3 weeks ago paid for some drinks ahead of time for us, so I'm gonna go pick those up and enjoy them over there by the water. The key just broke off in the door and now we can't open it, and Margaret is locked inside. Oh my god. I don't know how we're gonna get her out. I'm wearing a yellow jumpsuit from Target and a white cardigan from Ann Taylor. I'm wearing shorts from Amazon and a pink sweater from Target. A super cute hat from Amazon, and my skirt and top are from Target. I'm wearing a 2-piece bodysuit from Mandy, and my backpack is JanSport. Last day. Eat your waffle in sadness. I don't want to go home. Goodbye, Boat My Obsession.